Hello, I'm Benigno, class number 1142 and 106, and this is my final project programming for class EG, which is a simple supportive chatbot. So the goal of this program is to create a simple chatbot that accepts words and seamlessly reply with prescribed responses. I have included 5 long responses, which covers up the broad emotions that people might feel. And to reiterate again, a simple chatbot that replies to you based on what you feel. This is done mostly with the usage of if and def function. And long responses are loaded in another module which would be imported in the main Python file. So the only module that I use here is PyCharm, as I felt that it would be enough to create a simple chatbot that could reply to simple replies and give simple reply and to simple questions or inputs. So for the full code, I would start by importing the replies section where I keep all of the long replies, and I will be import replies as long, so it would see the replies here are divided into two, which is short replies and long replies. And for the def message, I use the def function through the def message probability as true, as whenever the the one that gives the input, the human that gives the input, gives a certain words, such as strings, it would give it would it would be accepted as true. And for word in user message, if word in recognized words is correct, that means it with certainty of value of 1. And the percentage of float a message of certainty, float length recognized words. And if has required words or single responses, it would return an int, percentage of times 100. So it would check all of the message probability and the highest probability list, and the def responses list of words simple response as false, and highest probability list bot response, and message probability list would be message list of words single response and required words. For the short response, I fitted them with different reactions to ways to say hi, as I felt that I have set this numerous a couple of times whenever I say hi to a friend, such as hello, hi, hey, sup, or heyo, and I will reply with a simple hey there. And for the response of bye and goodbye, it would reply as see you. Well, would mean like see you later. And then, if someone asks on how are you doing, I decided to give the bot slightly a bit more personality in its replies by saying, "I'm feeling good as a piece of data can be, and you?" And then thanks and thank you would reply with an "aw shucks, you're making me blush." And for "I love you," it would say something like, "I may not have a face, but if you do, you're making me blush." And going to the long responses, this bot will reply to certain keywords to give certain replies, such as I sad, those are the needed required words to give a certain reply from the replies.py file. And if we give ask for advice, we give the long long response for that is associated with advice in the replies.py, and it goes on and so forth for happy, help, or hurt. It would go to the best match in the highest probability list by making sure that of a 100% exact words. And return, no, and yeah, this is for my full code. And for the imported PY file, it would contain all of the longer responses, such as sad, hey, it's okay, I'm here for you, here's a digital hug. And yeah, it would fit it and go on and so forth for advice, happy, help, hurt. And then for def unknown, if there's certain words that is not inputted in the long or short file, or short responses, it would reply as come again. Can you repeat that again? Huh? Sorry, but I don't think it's in my program. It would reply with a confused emotion or simulate a confused emotion and would ask for the inputter to repeat again. And I will show how does the program work now. So it will first if I just say hi, It would reply with a hello. If I say hello, it would reply with a hey there again. So, and if I say bye, it would say see you. And then following the list of long responses, we could say that I need advice. It will reply with I am still unable to do answer much, but you can try Google or your friends. They're able to answer better. And again, if I say how are you, it would say I'm feeling good as a piece of data can be. And then let's say I feel hurt and say I would give you a hug if I could, but sadly I can't. Here's a digital smooch. And yeah, that's it for my program. Thank you.